नमस्कार। चलिए अभी आप सब बताइए, मुसाफिरी कत्थक की कौन सी कड़ी में हम अभी हैं। जी हाँ, हमने ये जाना कि कत्थक लोग कैसे 3 घराने में बट गए थे। चलिए कहानी को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। हम अब जिस समय के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो समय था जब अंग्रेज भारत पर राज कर रहे थे। इस समय में कत्थक नृत्य की जो उन्नति हुई थी वो स्मरणीय है। इतने दिन से मंदिर तथा दरबार में चल रहा कत्थक नृत्य अब स्कूल, कॉलेज तथा यूनिवर्सिटी पहुंच गया। यानी कुछ ऐसा हुआ, अंग्रेज लोग हमेशा से ही स्कूल कॉलेज एजुकेशन के ऊपर जोर देते थे और इसमें हमारा कत्थक नृत्य भी शामिल हो गया था। 1909 लाहौर में गांधर्व संगीत यूनिवर्सिटी की स्थापना हुई थी। वही कथक लोग जो पहले मंदिर में नृत्य करते थे, बाद में दरबार में आए और अब तो वे स्कूल, कॉलेज तथा विश्वविद्यालय में अनगिनत स्टूडेंट्स को अपनी नृत्य की शिक्षा देने लगे थे। उस समय महिलाएं बड़ी संख्या में कथक नृत्य सीखने लगी थी। तभी बहुत सी किताबों की रचना भी की गई। जब हमें आज़ादी मिली यानी 1947 के बाद दिल्ली, जयपुर तथा लखनऊ में कथक केंद्र के नाम से 3 कथक इंस्टीट्यूट खोले गए, जहां वही घरानेदार कथक लोग या बोल सकते हैं कथक नृत्य के बड़े बड़े घरानेदार गुरु पूरे देश तथा विदेश से आने वाले सभी विद्यार्थियों को शिक्षा देते थे। तो हमने इस मुसाफिरी कत्थक की कहानी के माध्यम से ये जाना कि मंदिरों में होने वाले नृत्य कैसे स्कूल, कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटी तक पहुँचे। हर एक कत्थक नृत्य सीखने वाले स्टूडेंट को कत्थक नृत्य की ये विशाल यात्रा को जानना ज़रूरी है। इसी कारण से मैंने आप सभी को ये कहानी सुनाई। अगले हफ्ते से आप सभी अपना कार्यक्रम देख पाएंगे हर रविवार सुबह। इजाजत दीजिए तब तक के लिए। धन्यवाद।
Namaste, this is Kalakriti. I have been the first ever student of Ada. I started going to her when I was in the 3rd standard, and the classes were not at a place where it was at her own residence. And it was the best opportunity that I've ever gotten to learn from such a great teacher. The most important part of teaching children today is how to express themselves. Therefore, not only did Arupa ma'am teach me how to channelize my energy in the right way, she also taught me that being different is fine as long as you know how to behave, teaching us to take things as they are and to sustain them, and rather break the barriers and go there and express yourselves to the fullest. We love you.
Hello, I'm Rucha Paparkar. I'm with Ada since 2007. My elder daughter Harsha is a student of Ada's first batch. My younger daughter Arya is also Ada student. Choosing Kathak as a classical dance for my daughters was a thoughtful decision. And with Ada and Arupa, the journey really became a wonderful phenomenon. I experienced growth of Harsha and Arya with Ada, and Ada growing into a remarkable dance academy. Arupa gives value of sincerity and hard work to her students by her own actions. She carries out events like Guru Purnima and speech days, which helps her students to develop their personality. I appreciate her efforts towards building a traditional Guru-Shishya relationship with her students, where she maintains proportionate blend of discipline, care, love and respect. Arupa gives utmost importance to the dance while paying proper attention to makeup and costumes in Ada's performances. This simplicity is her uniqueness. I am really glad that my daughters got such a devoted and passionate person as their dance guru. Thank you.
My heartiest congratulations to Arupa ma'am and the Ada family for successfully completing 15 years. I have been a part of this journey for 11 years and it has been a wonderful journey. Arupa ma'am has always been passionate and dedicated towards imparting her knowledge and guiding her students, which she continues to do even in this pandemic situation. So here, I wish her and the Ada family more glorious and prosperous years to come.
नमस्कार, मैं हर्षा पापड़कर। सबसे पहले तो मैं अदा को 15 साल पूरे करने की बधाई देना चाहती हूँ और मैं बहुत गर्व महसूस करती हूँ कि मैं इन 15 साल में अदा का एक हिस्सा थी। आई विल चेरिश माई बॉन्ड विद अरूपा मैम फॉर एवर। थैंक यू।
Hello Didi, congratulations on completing 15 years of Ada. What a splendid journey it has been. In your message you mentioned that I have been an integral part of Ada, which is true, 10 years. But the truth is, Ada has been an integral part of my life too. Very important part. I still remember 10 years ago, it was in the month of August that I joined Ada. You and Ada have helped me fulfill my childhood dream of learning Kathak. Though later in the age, but I did it. I remember how scared I was to give the exam and also to perform on stage with all the children. But Didi has always been so encouraging and so supportive and has pushed me beyond my fears and taught me how to overcome them and perform wholeheartedly on the stage, which was really great. I really loved and miss those days that we spent together at our dance class. Didi and I share a special bond. She has seen me grow and I have seen her grow. We have always been there for each other. There's a beautiful love that we share and I really enjoy that and cherish that a lot. So congratulations once again Didi and all the best for your future 15 years also, and we will keep making such videos and we will keep doing dance.
I'm learning Kathak for past 4 years from Arupa teacher. I am fortunate to have such a wonderful dance group. I always admire her dedication, energy and passion towards Kathak. Arupa teacher is not just teaching a dance form, but she is always motivating us and creating an environment where we dancers flourish and develop a devotion for Kathak. Glad I met her.